Yo, starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a McDonald's going about 5 miles.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. You gonna be using the mobile app today?
Thank you. Total for that one was $9. Oh wow. Was not expecting such a good order right off the bat. Got the next order pretty much right away. This is Mr. Maple Donuts going about 5.5 miles.
And this is from this location.
Yep.
You know what the order is?
Yeah, I can get it.
It doesn't say what the half dozen is.
No, it just says
Just
half
the
dozen. Yeah.
apple fritter.
And 15 donut hole.
Oh.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have to.
You too. Apparently they didn't even have this order in the store, so I think he just whipped up whatever he wanted for the half dozen, which is okay by me because I'm not going to contact them. One, it is way too early. They're probably still asleep. And two, their message is no contact delivery. So yeah, I'm not going to bother them. Total for that one was $10. This is a McDonald's going 5.5 miles. Hello.
What can I do for you?
I do 25 on one.
Yeah, of course.
Total for that one was $9 and change, by the way. And just got the next order, Taco Bell going 3 miles. Is the lobby open is the question. It is not.
Hi, you picking up with the name or code you did earn reward points?
Good morning.
Good morning.
We ran out of the Baja soda. I'm gonna give them the free. They can refund it if they'd like. We tried turning it off, but it keeps populating back on, so we do apologize.
Okay.
She misread the order. She thought it was one order of two. It's 2 orders of 2, so she's gonna get the other one right out. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry for the wait, my dear. Sorry for that wait, my dear. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
We'll see you around.
Oh, that was a no tip anyways. Yeah, I don't mind that wait then. Total for that was $7. And next up is a Burger King going 4 miles.
Thank you. Just a burger community rule. What kind of soda for you today? Hey, everybody.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. It says, do not knock or ring bell. Drop at the door and please send photo. Thank you and drive safely. Just like that. Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. There you are. Oh, I don't need your ID. It's just food.
Oh, you didn't bring the other. Okay.
Oh, it must be someone else.
All right.
Total for that one was $7 and change. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 4 miles, 6 items. Just parked and they give me an add-on order. This is going across the street to Walgreens. This is going to be a shop and deliver, $7 going an extra 3 miles, 1 item. Got the next order right away. This is a gravity coffee going, I think it's at 3 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Total for that order was $8. Just got the next order. This is a McDonald's going 3.5 miles. Total total for that order was $7, and it only took 9 minutes. Finally got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $10, going 5 miles, 3 items. Next up is a Starbucks. This one is going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
So much. Have a good one.
You too. No tip on that one. Cringe. Total ended up being $6 and change, and we got the next one right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $15, going 7 miles, 4 items. I am pretty far away from home, so if I don't get an order by the time I get there, that's gonna be it for this video. Current time is 9:37. Current total is 96, and I think I'm waiting on 2 Uber tips, so I'll throw up the total whenever they come in. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.